I'm with Patrick in Singapore.
So welcome to Singapore. It's lovely here. Boat going by in the background there. It's lovely. Clark Quay.
Yeah, very nice.
So generative AI, a lot of the partners are asking about accuracy and hallucinations and how we can control it. But all that's important, but I think overarching that is trust.
Mm-hmm.
And trust is, well, it's got a lot of aspects to it, because when we're talking to the partners, it's about how can we trust this technology. But trust starts when we start talking to a customer, getting the management to first of all trust the AI. And the best way to do that is to help with some demonstrations and set up demo environments that they can use and test themselves before they even put anything else together. Then of course there's gaining the trust of the security people. There's gaining the trust of the customer experience people. And I'm still within the organization before we even talk about their members and their customers. So trust is a big journey when you're doing generative AI. Starts with the business, getting them to trust, the security teams, the contact center teams, the operational teams. But then once you sort of get through all those, it's then the customers and getting them to trust. So we talk a lot about accuracy, we talk a lot about security, we talk a lot about hallucinations and how we stop those, but these are all bits of trust, bits of how we get that trust. There's so many large language models out here, and in Australia we talk mostly about the big American ones.
Yep.
But
Yep.
we travel through Hong Kong and Singapore. What about the Chinese ones?
Yeah.
What about the rest of the world? I mean, there's a proliferation of these, and it really is going to be a world where you select the large language model that best suits what you want. It could be specific for your purpose. And I think it's important that customers don't get too hung up about which large language model they choose as the best, because it's not a matter of you having to make a choice which one's the best. You really have a platform like our platform, Creative Virtuals platform, an orchestration platform where you can bring multiple large language models into the platform, use them, and if another one that comes out that's better for your purpose, just switch it around, and all the business logic, all the structured content, all the investment in the UI stays in the platform, and you can just switch out the model. Again, it's about protecting investment and knowing that down the line there's so many different large language models coming out. Some that'll be very specific to other purposes, some will be language specific. There'll just be so many of them. Having the right platform that allows you as a customer or a partner to select which one you use should be what you're looking for.
Or even multiple ones.
Multiple ones in the same journey.
In the same journey, or same implementation, same project.